for the market to open, and looks like it's going to be a disappointing opening if you're a bull. The Nifty is indicating a cut of 150 points and the Sensex down 600 points. But no surprises considering the global handover was on the weaker side. There you have it, the first tick on the index. It's quite disappointing. So it's a big gash really, 100 points low on the Nifty, straight off the back, and almost 400 points gone on the Sensex. The advanced decline ratio as well is well in favor of declines at 1:6. And the pockets that are hurting the hardest or getting hit the most is financials. So you have IndusInd Bank that's down almost about 2%. Bajaj Finserv is down 1.5%. Then there's IT, TCS, Wipro, Tech Mahindra are all in the red right now. Metals is also getting hit quite a bit. So Tata Steel is down about 1.5%. You have JSW Steel that's down about 1%. Tata Motors is down almost 2% right now. And some of the other heavyweights, Infosys, L&T, Titan, Hero MotoCorp are all trending in the red right now. After the initial 110-point gap down, the Nifty is now down about 90 odd points. So still stuck with steep losses. What's gaining though is Pharma. Sun Pharma, Cipla, Dr. Reddy's all in the green. ONGC Britannia also holding up a tad bit. Nestle is not bad. So FMCG and Pharma, generally the pockets of, safe haven pockets, so to speak, are doing well. But the mid-cap index actually taking a bigger brunt this morning.
Absolutely. The mid-cap index is down over 1%. The advanced decline ratio has one stock in the green for more than 5 stocks in the red. So there is bigger damage that you are seeing in the broader markets. 2,000 stocks currently in the red. And for the week so far, the mid-caps have underperformed. Week to date, the Nifty mid-cap index is down 3%, while the Sensex and the Nifty are down 1.3%. So there is that big underperformance that you are seeing. All in all, Indian markets are lower for the 4th consecutive day now, and the Nifty, as we speak, is just holding on to that 1800 mark. A quick check on the stocks in the green, very few. It's only a Nectar Life Sciences and Morpin Laboratories, which is coming up on the gainer side, stocks which have some volume, at least in early trade. But other than that, it's a sea of green. A couple of the big losers include that in the banking space, IOB, UCO Bank under pressure, RVNL, there was an order win. Despite that, the stock is under pressure. That slid close to about 2.6%. Bajaj Hindustan is down 5%. Remember, sugar stocks were gaining ground for the last couple of days, but now that tide has reversed. That's under pressure. Adani Power is another big loser today. Zomato has lost 2.7%. These are some of the stocks. Let's pull up Sula. It listed yesterday. It was a pretty dismal debut. The stock ended down close to about 7 to 8 odd percent. But this morning, it's opened up with some strength. A quick word on the stocks which are in the news. The defense stocks are under pressure. So HAL down 1%. On the flip side, BDL, Bharat Dynamics, has gained 2.5%. Thyrocare is higher in trade. Ajanta Pharma sees a little bit of a green. Ingersoll Rand, which has planned a manufacturing plant in Gujarat for an investment of 170 crore, is also higher by 1.7%. Currently down 100 odd points, Prashant, on the Nifty, not giving up that 18,000 mark, but firmly lower for all the key indices.
Absolutely. I mean, so we are below that trend line that from the June lows, which basically comes in at about 18,100. We're about 80 points under it. You also, but it's from the opening level, which was also the low at 17,975 is the low. It's already about 45 points higher, the index. So this is, if yesterday is anything to go by, or the previous many sessions, this is Act 1 in today's session. It's huge. Yesterday, for example, you had a 120-point surge, 250-point sell.